everybody! I'm here today to tell you to accelerate better with these 9 unbelievable tips. That's right, I'll be going over 9 incredibly unbelievable tips that will help you accelerate better in a car. Let's get right into the video. Number 1, look ahead. If you want to accelerate better, you need to be able to estimate your distance and your speed, and you do that with practice and by looking ahead. If I'm looking right in front of the car, I'm going to accelerate a little bit too harshly, but if I look ahead, it's going to balance out that harshness. Number 2, ease onto the pedal. So when I'm accelerating, you don't want to just stomp the pedal, you want to ease onto the pedal. So take your foot and practice easing onto the pedal. You want to practice in a parking lot and then take it onto the road. Number 3, get your heel on the ground. If I move my foot like this, I'm not going to have a nice balanced approach to acceleration. If I plant my heel on the ground, it gives me a pivot point and I can better control my foot, which allows me to accelerate better. Number 4, do the RPM holding spot practice drill. That's what I like to call it. Basically, you want to put your car in park and engage the emergency brake if you're in an automatic car, or put your car in neutral and engage the emergency brake if you're in a manual car. Basically, you want to make sure the car's not going to go anywhere when you push the gas pedal, okay? Then you want to push the gas pedal, rev it at, let's say, 1500 RPMs, hold it there, release, okay? Rev it at 2000 RPMs, hold it there, release, then 2500, then 3000, okay? That's gonna allow you to practice smooth acceleration and holding that accelerator pedal in the right spot all the time. Number 6, don't keep digging the pedal down, okay? So a lot of people, when they're learning to drive, they keep pushing the pedal more and more until they're accelerating too fast, and they're like, oh wait, now I gotta slow down. Here's the thing, your pedal, how much you push your pedal down, will basically determine how much acceleration you're gonna get. So push the pedal down and stop pushing it at a certain point and hold it there, and you'll continue accelerating. So your acceleration will likely continue even after you've stopped moving the pedal. Once you stop accelerating, if you want to go faster, you can push the pedal down a little bit more, but you need to stop accelerating first to determine that. Number 7, push the pedal with the ball of your foot. Now you have your heel, you have your toes, and you have the middle, and you have the ball of your foot, which is sort of towards the upper portion, not where your toes are, but right below your toes. You want to push the pedal with that part of your foot. That gives you the best pressure control with regards to your foot itself, and the best pivoting point with regards to your heel being planted on the ground. Number 8, keep a safe following distance, and you won't be afraid to accelerate. Here's the thing, if you follow too closely, you're always going to be afraid to accelerate, and you're going to want to slam your brakes every time that person in front of you pushes their brakes. So instead, keep a safe following distance, and it makes it easier for you to estimate how much you need to actually accelerate. So keep a safe following distance, and you won't be afraid to accelerate. Number 9 is learn the car. Very simple. Every car is different. Learn how the car is going to perform, learn how the car is going to accelerate, and you'll be much better off. And that's it. That is how to accelerate better with these 9 unbelievable tips. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.